using the annotation tools in Easiteach Next Generation. If you want to be able to write and draw and label over the top of your desktop in Easiteach Next Generation, you need to activate the glass mode tools. To find the glass mode tools, come down to the left hand side of the program, click on the E menu and go up to View Modes. Click on View Modes and look for Glass Mode. Click on Glass Mode and you'll notice now that there are two handles, one on each side of the page. They will allow you to draw and to write over the top of your desktop. These can be moved down, can be minimized, and now if I minimize my page, I'm now ready to use the tools on the toolbar, pen tools here, to draw and write over the top. I can also do screen captures. Let's have a look at some examples. Annotation tools using Google Maps. Let's go to Google Maps on Internet Explorer. So double click and click on Maps, and it's gone to the map of Perth and Western Australia. Let's start here and let's zoom out, bring that across. At the moment we're looking at Western Australia. Now I've zoomed out, so we've got Austerity there. Okay, let's say that we just wanted to draw and go over to identify the states. So bring up the handles and come along to the pen here, the red pen. And now the pens are running. Click on the pen tool, choose your color, and now Northern Territory, Western Australia, Queensland, South Australia, Adelaide, New South Wales, Victoria and Tasmania. Alright, you can change colours, so let's have a different colour. Let's go for blue, and we're just going to underline the capital city of Western Australia. Alright, come across, there's Sydney. Alright, and maybe we'll put a little arrow in there to show that we're pointing out the northern coast of Western Australia. If you want to then erase any of those annotations, click back on the pen tool and you have highlighters, which we haven't used. Let's just use one of the highlighters. So I'm going to highlight Papua New Guinea. Let's go back to the pen tool again, and the bottom one here on the left is the eraser, so I can then erase things. Alright, now the question is, after you've been doing some annotations, what do you do next in terms of your lessons? So if you want to actually move on from here, you can actually take a screen capture. So if I click on the camera, it gives me some options, and if I select from the bottom to here, the one with the little camera will allow me to select an area. The next one up will let me take a screenshot, and the next two will actually capture just the annotations. So let's say that we just want to capture an area. I'm going to touch on the bottom one here, and I'm going to drag my finger across the area that I want to capture, and that's been photographed and will actually be in the program. Let's go and have a look. So open the tools up, click out of the annotation layer, back to Easiteach. There it is. Anything that you have displayed on your desktop, and then you can capture that and put it into the program, which can then be saved.